Hey, what's up everyone, Ollie here. So a quick one before we get into the rest of the video. I know a lot of you are going to be asking about this t-shirt, so I'll leave a link to it down in the description below. So I wasn't actually going to make this video, mainly because I feel like I'm a bit sort of behind. I'm a bit sort of late to the party, you could say, when it comes to customizing your iPhone, customizing iOS. But hey, a lot of you have been asking about it, so I thought I'd do it anyway. So with the introduction of iOS 14, Apple has sort of let you have your own custom icons. It's not the nicest way of doing it. Android definitely does it better. But hey, iOS is getting there. Let's see if Apple will allow us to do more customizations in the future. Full disclaimer, this is my own icon set and it is a paid product. I'll leave a link to it down in the description below. But yeah, I just wanted something that was more minimal looking, more cleaner looking, and sort of follow the sort of dark style that I like, you know, the black sort of style that I like. And iOS icons by default are usually very colorful, all different shapes, all different sizes, all sorts of things. So I created an icon set that, you know, had a black background and all the icons followed a similar style. There's no color, they're all a similar sort of size and they all match the same sort of aesthetic. And yeah, I love it. I just love the clean, minimal look of it. I love the style of it. And I'll show you guys how to do it too. So first things first, you actually need to have the icons on your phone. You can either have them in the Photos app or you can have them in the Files app. Once your icons are on your phone, you open the Shortcuts app and then you press the plus icon in the top right and then you add an action, scripting, open app, choose, and then choose whatever app you like. I'm going to choose Instagram just to be nice and quick. Where is Instagram? Then at the bottom of the screen, you hit the share icon and then you add to home screen. From there, you tap the icon itself and you can choose from Photos or Files. I already have my icons saved in Photos, so that's where I'm going to get them from. I have all my icons in an album in my Photos app and we're going to use the Instagram icon. Choose, and then we're going to name it. You can leave it blank if you like. You don't have to have a name or anything for it. And then you press add. And then you press next. Just give this a quick name. Call it Instagram 3 just as an example. Done. And then you go to your home screen and there you are. There's the icon on my home screen. So yeah, it's as simple as that. Now it does take a bit of time to do it for each individual app. But hey, you know, whatever apps you want to do it for, you do it for. I've just done it for a few of my favorite ones. If you want the calendar widget, that's actually called Widgetsmith and it's free on the App Store, free to download, free to use. And yeah, it just gives you the nice minimalist calendar on your home screen. The wallpaper itself is also in the icon pack. That's where you'll find it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter and subscribe for more.